I'm going to record Landon and Kayla. You saying cheese? Yeah, you're so cute. You guys, oh, so adorable. Yeah. What do you see? Watch it. Landon, I said don't touch that. Yeah, you can get an owie. Mommy? Oh, you want to go bye-bye? You want me to take you to the park? I have to wait for your car seat. You are outside. Oh, it's locked. What do you got? Owie. Let me see. Let me see your owie. Come here. Let me see. Oh, you got a long nail. Here, want me to get it? Want me to get it? Did you get it? Here. You got it. No more. You fixed it. You need to cut your nail. It wasn't. You fix it, he said. You fix owie. Oops, watch out. Are you guys going to sit? You want Yummy out there? Okay, I'll go get you a snack.